Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an attractive YouTube thumbnail using Canva. It's super easy, and you can design eye-catching thumbnails for your own YouTube channel without any professional skills. In the same way, you can also upload your thumbnail designs on Fiverr and start earning money. You can see here that there are many thumbnail designs available, and a lot of people are offering these services on Fiverr. This shows that thumbnail design is in high demand and can be a great source of online income. An attractive thumbnail is very important if you want higher impressions and a better click-through rate, CTR. The more appealing your thumbnail is, the more people will click on your video, which helps increase views. And I'll teach you step by step how to design a thumbnail in Canva. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe so you can get more helpful Canva tutorials on time. So, let's get started. First, open Canva. Now the Canva dashboard will appear on your screen. Here you will see the Create a Design or Custom Size option. Click on it. After that, set the width and height. For a YouTube thumbnail, always use 1280px width and 720px height. Then click on Create New Design. After this, a blank canvas will open in front of you. From here, we will start designing our YouTube thumbnail. After this, go to the Elements tab and type black background in the search bar. Then press Enter. Next, click on Photos and select a black background image, just like the one I have added to my thumbnail. I selected this one. Now, right-click on the image and click Set Image as Background. The image will be added as the background of your design. After this, again go back to the Elements tab and type Light again. Now go to the Graphics section and select a green light image. After that, go to the Color option and click on Add a new color. From here, make the green color a little lighter. Next, increase the image size. From here, you can make your page size smaller or larger. After this, go to Uploads and select an image. I downloaded this image from Freepik. Simply go to Google and type Women Holding Money PNG. After that, you will find the Freepik website. Click on it. There you will see different images that you can add to your thumbnail. I clicked on this image, and here you will find related images. I am downloading this image from here. After this, open a new tab and type Background Remover. Click on this website. Here site will be open. Then click on Upload Image. Now upload the image that you recently downloaded to your desktop. In this way, the image background will be removed. After that, click on the free option and download it. Now upload this image into Canva. Now adjust the image and increase its size. After that, go to Apps and type Image Blender. Click on it. Then select the image and click on Linear. Now adjust this arrow. Using the strength option, you can increase or decrease the strength. After that, click on Save. In this way, the image will blend properly and give an attractive look. After this, go to the Elements tab and type Gradient Chart arrow. Then go to the Graphics section. Click on the three dots on this image and select See More like this. Related images will open. From here, you can choose any image for your thumbnail. I am selecting the same image that I used in my thumbnail. After that, flip the image horizontally. Now go to the Color option and change its color to green. Then go to the Edit option and click on the Shadow option. Select Outline. Now change the outline color and choose a slightly yellowish, glowy color. After that, reduce the outline size. Next, go to Position, select Layer, and then drag the chart arrow and adjust it under the green light image. From the same section, select another image, just like I am selecting this one. After that, go to Edit and click on Shadow, then select Outline. Now change the outline color to light yellow and reduce the outline size. After this, duplicate the image. Then reduce its size and adjust it. In the same way, reduce the size of the second image and adjust it as well. Now go to Position, then open the Layers section. Drag both arrow images and adjust them under the light green image. Add another duplicated image in the same manner. After this, go to the Elements tab and type money in the search bar. Then open the Graphics section and select a money-related image from there. Drag the image to the top right corner, rotate it, and adjust it as needed. Next, go to the Text tab and add a heading, such as How to Make. After adding the text, go to Font Style, search for Poppins, and select it. Then open Effects and choose Outline. Go to the Color section, select Green, click on New Color, and make the green shade slightly light. After that, duplicate the text, change the text to money, go to Text Color, set it to white, and finally increase the size of this text. After this, go to the Elements tab and type Brush Stroke in the search bar. Then open the Graphics section and select this image. Reduce its size, go to the Color option, and change its color. After that, open Transparency and lower the transparency. Next, go to the Text tab and add a heading, such as Secret Tricks. Then go to Font Style and change the font. I selected Portland here. After that, go to Text Color and change the text color to white. Finally, drag this text and place it on top of the brush stroke. I am slightly increasing the size of this image, it looks better. To download, click on Share, then click on Download. Here is the final result. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.